I have a very messy desk at the moment, workshop, bench I should say. That's because I'm still in the process of getting things in order. Get this house in order. Good book that is. Okay, so today got a package from Wiimoto. Yeah. In England, real England somewhere. And it is, I know what it is, it's a clutch for the Yamaha. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, what do we do? You got this. Clutch kit. Box. Okay. Look at the back. Yeah, you see. Ninny. Oh, I have it nothing. Harder than getting a go thrower. Okay. I can slip. To make a keyring this time. Sometimes it's like a lucky dip. Sometimes you get like a keyring or a sticker or something. And well, money I spent with Wiimoto, I didn't get anyone. This is expensive. All right, so there it is. ABC brakes, Aramid, whatever that is. Because I used to do things in that stuff that poisons everyone, asbestos, like brake things, and now they have another material, which must be what that is. Fibre line, friction plate, and clutch spring kit for sport bike and race. Yes, that's what we want to do. Racey. So no more further ado. Even though I'm going to throw these boxes away, I still like doing things sort of neatly. Oh, look at that. Alright. Oh, stuff. Oh, what's this? Clutches. Cars have only got one clutch plate. Motorcycles, the empty box. Nothing. What's in the box? What's in the box? Nothing there. Alright. Whoa, magic. I'm supposed to get springs. There's my little clutch plates, mini clutch plates, mini. Look how many there are. Lots and lots and lots. God damn. Alright. Got that. Oops. Oh. Okay. Now the funny thing is, there is no, it says clutch spring kit. Heavy duty steel plates and clutch springs. Clutch springs. And there's a picture of the clutch springs there. There. And that's what I ordered. But I don't know. There are no clutch springs. Damn. Nice plates there. I've got these little dimplies. You see little dimply? Little dimply. Dimplies. And that's it. And I have to complain that I didn't get my little spring. Fall out? No. Didn't fall out anywhere. No springs. Now I'm angry. Arr, angry, angry man, angry man. Arr, arr, arr. No. That's my fucking springs. Box said springs. Springs. I want my springs. Give me my springs. Damn.